for some unboxing. We're going to do this awesome box. I love FabFitFun. Like, some of their products I've been using every single day, and I absolutely love their boxes. And one thing I absolutely love is you get to choose what you want. They might sometimes surprise you here and there, but you get to choose what you want for majority of the items. And that is sometimes a good thing, because I know sometimes people get boxes and they're like, what? But this stuff you get to choose. So this is the fall of 2024 FabFitFun unboxing. I am excited to share with you guys all the goodies. Right here, fall in love with the nice, sweet things, FabFitFun. I can't read upside down. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got in my box, and you guys can subscribe to. Now, they have two different subscriptions that you guys can do. You can get an annual subscription where you get I think the annual subscription is a $219.99, and then you get, or there is a seasonal membership which is $69.99. so you get 4 boxes if you do the seasonal where you pay per box, or you can get the annual where you automatically get 4 boxes. But you get to choose your own box. It's customizable. You get 6 full-size items valued up to $350, which is a great deal. And for the annual, if you guys use the code DesignerJenGift, and I'll have the link below, you guys will get a free gift valued over $200. Or if you use the seasonal subscription, you're just going to use the code DesignerJen, and that'll be a different link, and you get 20% off your first box. 20% off your first box, which comes out to be, I think, like $55.99. So I'm reading like 2 different paper notes, but I'm still excited to share with you guys. Like right now for my last box, I've been using their hair care products. I've been using my sunglasses I got from them, and then the little carrying bag that I got. I absolutely love that. But let's just stop talking. I will have all the stuff below for you guys so you guys can look at it. But I say just try it out. And fall is like one of my favorite time of year, but I'm just saying let's try it out. Okay, let's dig in. So what I did is when I did choose the items that I got, I did write down all the prices that they are for it, so then you guys can get an idea. But here we go. Ricola. Oh, that's cool. Caramel flavor. Ricola. That's cool. Your Ricola throat balm is on us in the fall scan. So I gotta scan the QR code and maybe I'll get a free one. That's cool. We'll have to check that out. But here is the Autumn Breeze box. So yes, I am so excited for the stuff I got, you guys. I'm so excited. So the first thing I see is a spatula. Oh, it's a KitchenAid spatula. I didn't know I was getting a spatula. I don't know how much this costs, but look at that. This is really nice. A KitchenAid spatula. That's, yeah, I'm super excited I got that. Here is something that I picked. It is the woven, it is a neck and shoulder wrap. I mean, this is one of those rice wraps. I've always wanted one of these. This was valued at $65. $65. And I am pretty excited to use this. So this is one of those neck wraps. You just like put it in your microwave, I think, and then you like wrap it around your neck. But I have been having neck problems, and I thought this is just like a heating pad. I used to make these when I was in college. But super cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I got that. That is a $65 value. Now here is a Puma bag. A Puma bag. I've always wanted one of these little purses. So this is like one of those little half backpacks and stuff. This was also valued at $48. But it is nice little side backpack. Like, I absolutely love it. This is something so when we travel, I don't have to bring my big purse with me. I can just have something light right there. Puma. My whole family, my husband loves Puma. But I mean, you got your little side zipper right here, and my Kindle fit in here. Like, this is a perfect little bag. So when I travel, I can have my Kindle. My kids can play at the park. But yes, I love this. The only thing is I wish it came in a different color, but that is okay. I'm not complaining. And then it's got the Puma symbol. Oh, there's a cool little sack right here. Little thing right here. Like, you can put your money or your... That is really cool. I like that. I got that. Here is something from hanky panky. It is $48. I forgot what this is. I think it's a bag. Hanky panky. Oh yeah, they're little travel bags. So they come in 3 different sizes. I thought these would be cute to put stuff in when I travel. Like I can put all my underwear in one little tote. I can put the kids' clothes in one little tote just to kind of organize it. So we got like the big bag, and like if you see, it's like about 2-3 inches deep. So I'm like, you can fit some pretty good stuff in here. They look like they're easy to wash. This was a $48 value. So yes. And then there's a third one in here. Yes, these are perfect for traveling. I love putting bags in bags. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Another thing I got was this one kind. It is a night cream nighttime moisturizer. I've been really into taking care of my face when I go to bed, and even when I get up in the morning. I've been really using a lot of this stuff, and I thought this would be perfect to have. It instantly soothes, hydrates, and enhances skin tones for glowing skin in the AM. P.S. It feels like a dream. So this was $40. $40 for this little thing, but I'm like, you know what? We're going to try it out and see what would work for my face. Anything that helps my face feel better in the morning, we got it. Now here is some mascara that I'm super excited. It is by Tarte. It's called Man Eater. This was $27, but I am super excited to try this, this mascara. I mean, look at that, Man Eater. And yes, I always love, I think I've used Tarte before and I love it. Look at that. Look at that. I'm super excited for this. 27 bucks. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay. Now, here is the thing I ordered. KitchenAid. I didn't realize you got 2 of them. That is cool. I got a little pot, or a little cookie sheet made by KitchenAid. So that's probably where the spatula came from, or they're giving everybody a spatula. I don't know. I'd have to go back and look at the photo to see if it came with a spatula or not. It maybe did. But this is a KitchenAid pan, and there is 2 of them. This is perfect, you guys. This is so perfect. I actually want to make taco dip, and this looks like a perfect size to make a big taco dip for a party. Yes. This is a 9x13, and I got 2 of them along with my spatula. The spatula's included, I'm not sure, but I think it is. This is a $45 value. So, can't go wrong with a cookie sheet. 2 of them. So, yes, that was everything that I got. I ended up getting $270 for all that stuff. That was a $270 value that I got. So, you guys can choose what you want. You can either pay $70 for a month for a seasonal box, or you can get a annual membership for $219.99, and that basically comes out to be $55 a box. So 55 bucks for all that stuff, I think is a pretty great deal. I mean, considering the hanky panky was $45 just right here, and then the KitchenAid was $45, and then we got the the woven wrap was $65 for this. So just buying this one thing got you a whole box. Just saying, I absolutely love it, love it, love it, and this is gonna help my box so much. So if you guys are interested, you can get the seasonal membership, or you guys can get the annual membership, but I will have all the links below. But thank you, FabFitFun, for sending me this box. I absolutely love doing unboxings, and if I can share with you guys great stuff to get, definitely want to share with you guys on that. But make sure you guys keep an eye out if you guys, or not keep your eye out, but make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.